Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video, I am sharing to you the details about HP LaserJet Pro M102a model printer. This printer is exclusive to black printing purpose. It has only the print option, but it is one of the best black laser printer for personal use. It's affordable for home or office work. The print speed of this printer is 22 pages per minute. This printer is compatible with almost all kinds of operating system, including Windows, Mac and Linux. Minimum system requirements are company mentioned on this cartoon. Toner number and printing capacity also company mentioned here. The appearance of the toner cartridge of this printer is totally different from others. This is because it comes in two parts. One is the toner powder tank part and the other is the OPC drum part. OPC drum part is known as imaging drum. Toner cartridge number is 17A and imaging drum number is 19A. You can get approximately 700 prints from the toner that comes with the printer and about 1600 prints from the new toner. The imaging drum capacity that comes with the new printer and the capacity of the new imaging drum is same, about 12,000 prints. The drum has to be replaced every 12,000 pages. Total weight of this printer is 4.7 kg only and dimensions are width 14.4, depth 18.4 and height 13.1 inches. Next, let's see what's included in this box. Getting started guide in different languages and setup poster, support flyer, software driver CD for Windows, Mac, Linux operating system, and last one is power code. This printer offers instant printing results in no time by printing document at the speed of up to 22 pages per minute with the rate of 7.3 seconds per print. You can finish bulk printing with a matter of minutes. Its automatic on and off technology and instant on technology help to conserve energy and bring down the overall printing cost. Control panel features are: first one is attention LED. The attention link blinks when the printer requires user attention. If the attention light is on, the printer is in an error state. Next, ready LED. The ready light is on when the printer is ready to print. It blinks when the printer is receiving print data and dims when the printer is in a low power state. Next, resume button or cancel. If the printer is currently processing a job with attention LED off and ready LED blinking, press the button to cancel the print job. If the printer is in a error or prompt state with ready LED on and attention LED blinking, press the button to clear the error and resume printing. In manual duplex mode, press this button to print the second side of the page. The last one is power button. Use this button to turn the printer on or off. This is the input paper tray of this printer. It's 150 sheets capacity of this tray and support for a variety of standard office media. This sleek, attractive and small footprint printer will deliver all the quality and output that a small or office home requires. In addition to the input tray, the company also provides a dust cover to prevent dust on paper. Company provides in the instruction guide step by step with picture for how to align this dust cover on input tray. It supports different size and types of plain paper, photo paper, envelopes, labels, cardstock, postcard, etc. Up to A4 size can support in this printer. Size of each paper is given on this tray, so you can adjust the paper size accordingly. Media weight as 60 gram to 163 gram papers are supported in this printer. When you add new media, make sure that you remove all of the media from the input tray and straighten the entire stack. This helps prevent multiple sheets of media from feeding through the product at one time, reducing media jams. To avoid paper jams and other issues, make sure that you are using the type and size of paper when loading the input tray. Load media with the top forward and the side to be printed on facing up. To prevent jams and squeeing, always adjust the side guides. This foldable tray is the output paper tray of this printer. Maximum has 100 sheets capacity of this tray. We just need to open this tray. Extended, it will hold the paper after the printing. The type of paper and the amount of ink you are using affects output tray capacity. HP recommends emptying the output tray frequently. Next, how to remove and replace the toner carriage or imaging drum from this printer. Open the top cover. The toner and imaging drum are there. Imaging drum number is 19A or CF219A and toner carriage number is 17A or CF217A. On a new printer, the toner or imaging drum cannot be removed before the electrical power is connected. So, first need to connect the power cable to printer. This is the back side of the printer. First one is USB interface port. The second one is power connection port. Connect the power cable. After that, press on the power button. See, now the attention LED is blinking. It means the printer is initializing. This may take some time. Now the ready LED is on. So the printer is now ready to use. Now possible to remove the toner carriage and imaging drum. So next, let's see how to remove or replace it from this printer. Toner carriage should be taken first. So grab the toner and pull it out like this. Next, imaging drum. It also same procedure. Grab and pull it out. This is new imaging drum of this printer. The imaging drum number and compatible printer models are mentioned on this cartoon. Its capacity approximate 12,000 pages. The drum has to be replaced every 12,000 pages. This is the new toner carriage of this printer. The toner number and compatible printer models are mentioned on this cartoon. Its capacity approximate 1,600 pages. Genuine HP toner carriage unlock the full functionality of this powerful personal printer. Built-in jet intelligence help you track remaining pages and monitor toner. Use wheelsless, delivering professional quality monoprints. With our genuine HP toner replacement carriages, you can avoid reprints and experience flawless output every time, while protecting your printer against toner scatter damage and counterfeit fallout. Next, let's see how to insert toner carriage or imaging drum to this printer. First, align the imaging drum with the tracks inside the printer and install the imaging drum until it's firmly seated. Insert like this, the last slightly push to inside. After that, align the toner carriage with the tracks inside the printer and install the toner carriage until it's firmly seated. Insert with correct tracks. After that, last push to inside. Next, let's see how to check this printer working or not. This printer can take automatic touch print without connect any device. Press and hold the resume button for 3 seconds and you will get the configuration report as a test print. Print resolution is 600 x 600 x 2 dpi. To provide productive printing, this HP LaserJet Pro may automatically enter cool down mode under certain environmental conditions when required. Also, this printer has an econo mode option for printing drafts of documents. Using econo mode can use less toner. However, using econo mode can also reduce print quality. HP does not recommend the full-time use of econo mode. If econo mode is used full-time, the toner supply might outlast the mechanical parts in the toner carriage. If print quality begins to degrade and is no longer acceptable, consider replacing the toner carriage. Please note, if this option is not available in your printer driver, you can set it using the HP embedded web server. HP offers periodic printer updates, new web services apps and new features to existing web services apps. When you update the firmware, web services app will update automatically. Use these steps, manually download and install the firmware. Update immediately from hp.com. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.